Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the ColorChecker passport for video, which is this guy right here. So yeah, this is a great tool to have, especially if you're making videos for a living or you're making YouTube videos and everything. The reason why you want to have this is because you want to get that perfect exposure, perfect white balance, skin tones, and all in all, accurate colors in your video. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this thing up so I can show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So basically what you have here is you have 6 chromatic color chips right here, and then you got next to that color chips for your skin tones, which is 6, and then you have 6 gray balance chips, and you got 6 chips for your highlights and your shadows, and you also got your high gloss black and your white and your gray for perfect color balance. And if we flip it over to the other side, on the other side over here, you got your gray card, and you can also get your sharpness where you want it to be. And again, this is a great tool to have if you're making videos. This is a must-have. Yes, it is pretty pricey. This thing cost $149 on Amazon, and I believe it's more if you buy it in other places, you know, but Amazon got it for $149. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description if you guys want to pick one of these up. And this thing's amazing. I use this when I make all my videos. And what I'll do is when I'm about to make a video, I'll set up my lights and everything and get my exposure right and everything. And basically what I'll do is I'll hold this up like right here and kind of move it around, you know, because you don't want to get any glares from the light. See, I'm getting glare right there. So basically you want to hold it like this, kind of move it around, and yeah, you get the point. So basically the reason why I'm doing that is because when I'm editing the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video when I don't have any glares or anything, and that's basically the part of the video that I'm going to use when I edit to, you know, edit my colors and everything, get my white balance, you know, and everything like that. So yeah, that's basically how this thing works. And also what I recommend too is always grab it from the edges. You don't want to touch the color chips, because if you do that, what you're doing is you're putting your fingerprints on there, and it's basically just going to damage this thing, and you're not going to be able to get the fingerprints off, because you're going to basically mess up the colors and everything. You're not going to get accurate colors. And also if you get dust on it, what I recommend using is one of these things right here, which is a lens pen. So what you can do is you can use it to remove the dust on here, you know, just go like that. Do the same thing on the other side, or you can use your blower, you know, get the blower and just blow the dust off. And when you're done using it, you always want to close this thing up. You don't want to leave it exposed to the lights, especially video lights, because they're super bright. And what happens over time is when you expose this thing to light too long, it starts to fade the colors on here, and then you're gonna have to buy another one, and yeah, you're gonna have to spend $150 to get another one. So you don't want to do that. You want to make it last as long as possible. So you don't want to touch these color chips, and you always want to keep this thing closed and pack it back in your camera bag when you're done using it. You don't want to leave it out in the elements or anything, because it will get damaged, and long exposure to light will cause the colors to fade out, because the lights that we use when we make videos are very powerful lights, especially the ones I use. I got how many lights? 1, 2, let's see, I got one in front of me right here. I got one up here, but I'm not using that one right now. Got one over there to the far right, and I got one right over here somewhere behind me. And yeah, those things are super bright, man, and they will fade these out, especially if you leave it long periods of time, you know, exposed to light. And I have actually seen people where they have this in the background in their videos, and they just leave it sitting there, and they probably leave it sitting there after they're not doing their video. And yeah, you're gonna do some damage to this bad boy. So yeah, they make one for photography too. I have this one right here, same thing, passport for photography. Yeah, this thing is very powerful tool to have, especially if you're doing photography as well. But yeah, I'm gonna make a video on this one as well. You know, that's gonna be a different video. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel because it helps out my channel, you know, with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys have any questions about using this thing or how to set it up and everything, just go ahead and comment down below and I will be sure to get back to you. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye. Peace. I'm out.